Ever wondered what all these actually do and how you should be using them? First, detergent. It's what cleans your clothes and removes stains. Liquid detergent goes into the drawer dispenser, and powder and packs can go directly into the washer drum before loading your clothes. At this point, scent beads can be added directly into the drum if you're wanting additional long-lasting freshness. For soft, fresh clothes, pour the recommended amount of fabric softener into the designated dispenser and activate the fabric softener cycle if required. Or, if you'd rather focus on removing buildup and lingering odors, you can use fabric rinse instead of softener in the fabric softener compartment. And don't forget about the dryer. Add a dryer sheet to help fight static and wrinkles. And there you have it, the right way to use products to achieve fresh, clean, and soft laundry.